Before I started my company in China, I was a customer just like you, a customer who tries to source products from China, but I kept facing the same problem every time. My agent in China wasn't replying me quickly, and also I received defective goods many times. And sometimes they were changing their prices, and almost every time their shipments had delays. That's when I decided to change things. I started my company focusing on everything I wish I had when I was a customer. I know exactly what you are worried about when working with an agent in China. Trust issues, fear of losing money, defective goods, hidden costs, even poor communication. That's why we build our company differently, and here's how we solve these problems. Our company's focus is on transparency, quality assurance, reliable communication, factory verification, and end-to-end service. So, are we perfect? Of course not, but every day we try to improve. Our goal is not just to complete an order, it's to build a long-term partnership where your success is our success. So if you are looking for a sourcing partner in China that you can truly trust and delivers high quality and transparent service to you, you are at the right place. So let's make sourcing from China easy, profitable, and reliable for your business. So contact us today and let's see how we can help you.